Greetings, people. Welcome back to the channel again. It's AP and Queen Jody, and we're doing what we do. Guys, I hope you're full enjoying the videos that we're putting up. Where did I take off the slippers, madam? How far? What do you mean? What is by your shirt? Am I king that? Where you at, Jody? Me? Hey? Mama Africa, I am coming home. Back to the place where I belong. Yes, I can see it clearly now. Black seed, we are black seed to the motherland. Don't wanna be a slave in this your land. Tell them, say them can't touch we energy. Can't touch we energy, just can't touch we energy. We are black seed to the motherland. Don't wanna be a slave in this your land. Tell them, say them can't touch we energy. Can't touch we energy. Whoa. My girl. That means say me no know what you do. Yes, I call you already yet. Hey, musical do this. Did it. A joke. No, just take time to spray the water. I'm not sure why you put your clothes to go. I'm then. I don't understand it. No, I understand myself. It's your kind of. Jody, people them say they love the way you clean up the place and I love clean place, you know. I know. I love clean place. You get up early this morning. AP, I want to wash the walls off. They look dirty. Family must feel proud when you see I wash the Shout out to your family. Guys, remember to give the video a thumbs up. Thank you very much for the support. Make the cobweb cut up in it as well. Lord God, they could sleep out this one. Hey, and some people are trying to say, you know, when time you sleep, it's good them a find things to chat. Hey, remember say Matt over there say here, Joe? Remember when me younger man and we had some friend come over one time. Next thing me hear, Lord, me I tell you, not go back on the house. And mother always keep her house good enough. You know, sometimes, you know, people show up unexpected. That is true. And you know, don't do what you do. That's why they say when you have, you don't have to let nobody know what I want. Oh, let's have to go paint again, yeah. Yeah. I just threw the dust, guys. That's why we wash it off. It stay like this. So, just want it to look a bit better. Well, if you go spray from outside, watch out when you know. Let me lock the door, cause once you're up on a mission, she not stop. That's Queen Jody for you. Whew. That's true. Family, thank you so much for the love and support that you have been showing us. Oh my God. I have been crying my eyes out. Oh my God, you really love me. You really, really love me. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Yeah. I like the color of the house. It's really nice. It's a nice color. Yeah. Yeah. It's dope. The yard is really nice as well. I love how the family keep the yard full of nature, you see me? Well, we want to set up back and start doing podcast them family, but apologies, we have to be settled a little bit. You know, this is our temporary place, so we have to stay. It would really be nice to see when we leave from here. We actually okay. Phone a ring off in my pocket. I call people. That me stay. Yeah, come here when you do it so. That one yeah. Yeah, I'll bed you up. Alright. And true, you bend nose. Where you bend nose, Jody? Yes, the way you put it down, man. Sure. Yeah, so we say our goal is to build something. I'm gonna show you guys a video soon of what we would like to build. First we want to get one piece of land. We'll work towards it, guys. So if you see 2-3 videos from we coming up, please don't skip the ads them, because when you watch the ads them, that's a way you can support us, you know. Any other means that you guys can support that vision, we would so appreciate of it. But for now, don't skip the ads them. Thank you very much. Give the video a thumbs up and share it everywhere, guys. Thank you so much for your support thus far. Jody, what are you doing? This one. Right where so? Watch out. You go change that when you're done? Yeah. And guys, the website is up. Excuse me. The music is there. The song them, I think one I song them is like $1.99. Go and download the songs. A lot of people have been asking me about Black Sit to the Motherland song and Overcome and all these songs. They are available on our website, guys. Our merchandise are available on our website, guys. You know, we do everything official. We create our own platform so that we don't have to answer to nobody in terms of what we put up. We have a private section there that we control. We call it AP Squad, and it's a community. You know, people who is repartying or thinking of visiting the Gambia should join that. But as we say, it's not for everybody. Rise up. Oh, Mama Africa. Yes, I can see it. The day when we all shall rise. We shall overcome, no matter how they try to chain me. We shall overcome, yeah. I say no matter how them try to break us inside. Yes, Jody, darling. What is your problem now? Look on this one. Me do what?
It's because I get wet. I know it's stuck in everywhere.
From morning, Jody, you know, say from morning you get up a bit talking and give me doing Jody. I don't understand, you know. Me tell you if you do the one video, and Friday you do the one video. If you put up on your channel, the one video. Me ask her nice people and she do the video. So me I go put it on our channel for her. So let me show you guys something. This is a passion fruit tree. I think when you see a passion fruit on it, I'm not see it no more. It's gone. I don't see it. No, but me just want to show them. Oh, here, see it here. Passion fruit. Yeah. Block off the light because grand rising, you know. Yeah, but it's good. Let me show you. Woo. Queen Jody redesigned the place. You guys saw that video. I hope you guys full enjoy the video then. AP put in a lot of work as well. Yeah. And we have to help her with this before we left, because we are up on the road today. Yeah. No, me. You. Soon see more driving vlogs. I know you guys love the driving vlogs when we're going around Gambia. Wait, where you short off for me for my girl? What a girl?
I'm not short off for him, just a talk stern.
Stern? Which one I stern them? Which one I stern them you talk? Say it. Oh. No.
So yeah, it's a nice place. This place is like paradise. This place remind me of some
Like that's
tropical,
resort.
yeah, some tropical place like in the tropics. You know what? We put the funny, how we put the house up for rent like 2 months ago. And you know, most of the people them already interested, not coming right now. But some people say them not like it, which I understand. But then we move in here and we're loving it. It's amazing. Round houses are nice. But the one that we want for Bill, shout out to Enchi for this. Enchi, oh my god, I forgot your YouTube channel, bro. You have to comment if you see this. Comment so that everybody can see your YouTube channel. I don't remember your YouTube channel name. But Enchi sent us some design, guys, of some like affordable house that we could make, affordable house idea. And so we want to save towards that. Save towards buying land and building a house, as me say. I will show you guys the design that he sent me, the idea, so you can see. And I got attempt to make it. See, all like people that want to know Queen Jody. Them vlogs that I will get for make you know, you know. You see this one? This one no actually help for nothing at all. She just you want to put this them here? Yeah, it will. Why not just move this over yourself? Come, Kai. No, I mean not this is a metal, my girl. See? Joe, you alright, darling? Come. See that there's a darling.
I don't even know. You think that you need can still catch?
Wait, let me see it.
It have
Yes.
life in there still.
Yes, it's catching.
For life. The one little piece of
Probably I can show pattern, make you implant it.
Alright.
Yes, it can catch. Nice, yeah, mate. See the hose over there, so Joe.
Should I use the washing water first?
No, use the hose.
You're sure?
Yes, kinda. I wouldn't tell you that, my darling, if I wasn't sure. Just don't wet me up like oh you wet up yourself, thank you. Jody. No, you know. Oh. Aloe vera. These are the one we catch from around the house. And so we have pine. Joe, be careful, darling. You want more hose now? You don't, there was a shot, Jody. You cannot go any further. No, the spread. Alright.
You have to go use something brush off the
Yeah. That might be electrical wire. So you don't want to wait till you. That is smart. So I'm going to wrap up shortly. But I just want you guys to see how we do. This is gonna be a male papaya. See it? It'll be a male papaya.
Well, it have to cut down because every other papaya tree I got turn male.
Yes, it's a male papaya tree.
So to get rid of.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Once you start to the blossom, them start grow outwards.
Yeah.
Jody, you wetting up the dogs, them, huh?
You know, you got shower too?
No, them don't like it.
See me tell the soap,
Alright, stop. Okay, darling.
Go see wash water for me.
Okay.
Make sure I do it like over there, so.
That is true. But you wet it, so it's cool. Let me get what wash water? You mean the one you have the map in here, right, sir?
Yeah,
Yes. That's alright. No. Alright, family. Yeah. In Jamaica, they say cleanliness is next to godliness. But my rub off the paint here, because... Yeah. Yeah, Queen Jody is going to be active on her vlog again. So, I probably should have record some of this for you. I don't have to. Okay, family, so I am going to help the queen so that we can finish up to hit the road like next 10 minutes or so. Queen, anything else you want to add to the video? No. Come. Stop, be shy. Queen. What? I love you.
Hey guys, so thank you so much for the support, for the love. Yeah, you don't know me. Anyway, accept darling. Where's the frequency? Let's take care of it.
This is why I had nothing else to say, people. I swear to God.
No, we just have the time when we just.
Alright, people. Make sure you stick and stay for the next video. I love you.
Jaja keep me far from me enemies. They wanna take my life and my energy. Tell them say me tired of the struggle me face. So me a pray for you better.